Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today in this video, we are going to learn the topic direct and inverse proportion with the help of examples. You will just see how to solve it. And do watch the video till the end because I am sharing a small tip or a trick to avoid the confusion of how to solve this two given topics easily. So first question is, Raj purchased 12 books for rupees 156. Find the cost of 7 such books. So when such type of questions come, that is word problem, first thing you have to do is you just note down what all things are given. So here, what two things you can see, there is something known as books and there is something known as cost, right? This is the two things given in the question. So first line it says that Raj purchased 12 books. So Raj, he purchased 12 books at the cost of rupees 156. Now find the cost, means I have to find the cost of 7 such books. So for 7 such books, I have to find the cost. So here what you observe, for books, he from 12 is purchasing 7 books. So you have to find the cost. So now you have to think logically that the books are coming down, the quantity of books are coming down. So what will happen to the cost? The cost is going to come down, right? The value of the books are coming down, that means the cost is also going to come down. So in which topic will it go? Will it go in the direct proportion or will it go in the inverse proportion? Very good, it is going to go in the topic direct proportion. So here you have to remember when you are solving questions with regards to direct proportion, this is the trick which you can remember is when it is related to direct proportion, you have to do the cross multiplication. Okay, means what? Means I will be doing 12 into, here question mark is there, I will take x. Okay, x is equal to 156 into 7. Now you have to solve this to get the value of x, which is the cost. So when I will be solving this, what I'll do, x I'll keep it as it is in the left hand side, 156 into 7 whole upon 12. See, you can do multiply and then divide by 12, but it will be a very long one. So better is to do like this and do the cancellations. So here you observe it goes in the table of 6, it goes in the table of, means both goes in the table of 2. So it is 78. This become 1, 6 ones are 6 and 6 13s are 78. So when you solve this, you get answer as 91. So what will be the cost of 7 books? 7 books will be rupees 91. So this is how you solve the question with regards to direct proportion. Now this is the second question. 6 pipes are required to fill a tank in 80 minutes. How long will it take if 5 pipes of the same type is used? Okay. So as I said, this is a word problem. First write what all things are given. There are, you can see two things, that is pipes and time. Right? How many pipes? 6 pipes. And 6 pipe takes 80 minutes. And how long will it take for if 5 pipes? So 5 pipes are, and I need to find the time. Now you have to see in which topic this question goes. Pipes, number of pipes are decreasing. So what will happen with the time? Will the time increase or will the time decrease? If more, or sorry, if over here there is less number of pipes, so definitely the time is going to increase. So what do you observe? Whose question is this? Direct or inverse? Very good. It is the topic of inverse proportion. So when you find the questions with regards to inverse proportion, what you have to do is you have to do the direct multiplications. In direct it was cross, in inverse it will be direct. Means what? Now here it is a question mark, so I will take it value as x. So now here you will do 6 into 80 is equal to 5 into x. Now solve this. 6 into 80 I will keep it as it is, 5 I will take and divide it. Equal to x. 5 ones are 5 16s are. When you multiply, you will get answer as 96. So 5 pipes will take how much time? Will take 96 minutes. See, here you can cross check. 96 minutes and here it was 80. That means 96 is more than 80. That means it is increased. So that your answer is correct. So what was the trick? The trick with regards to direct proportion was you will find the two quantities and you will do the cross multiplications. Make sure you are putting the values at the right places. Then only it will apply, or else it will go wrong. And in case of inverse proportion, you are going to do the straight multiplication and find the answer. So I hope you have understood this topic. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Tada, bye bye.